Today, I'll show you how to create ER diagrams with http://draw.io. First, open your browser and go to http://draw.io. You may also see it called diagrams.net because both names are commonly used for the same diagram tool. When the page opens, choose where you want to save your diagram. You can save it to your device, Google Drive, OneDrive, or another available option. For a simple start, choose Device, then click Create New Diagram. You can choose a blank diagram or search for an existing template. For an ER diagram, starting with a blank diagram is usually easier if you want full control. Now give your file a name, such as Database ER Diagram, and click Create. Once the editor opens, look at the shape libraries on the left side. If you do not see database or entity relationship shapes, click More Shapes at the bottom left. In the menu that opens, look for options like Entity Relation, ER, Database, or Software. Check the box next to the library you want, then click Apply. Now you can start building your ER diagram. Drag an entity shape onto the canvas. An entity is usually a table in your database. For example, you can create entities like users, orders, products, or payments. Double-click the shape to rename it. Inside each entity, add the fields or columns. For example, inside the user's entity, you might add user_ID, name, email, and created_AT. Make sure to mark the primary key. The primary key is the unique field for each record, such as user_ID. Next, add more entities for the other tables in your database. After that, connect the entities using connector lines. Click one table, drag the arrow to another table, and release it. Use the connection to show how the tables are related. For example, one user can have many orders, so you can connect users to orders. You can also label the relationship by double-clicking the connector and typing something like places, contains, or belongs to. If needed, adjust the relationship symbols to show one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many relationships. Keep your diagram clean by arranging related tables close together. Use straight connectors, enough spacing, and clear names. When your diagram is finished, click File, then Save to save your work. You can also export it by clicking File, then Export As, and choosing PDF, PNG, JPEG, or SVG. So, to keep it simple, open http://draw.io. Create a new diagram, enable ER shapes, add your entities, write the fields, connect the relationships, and save or export the diagram. And that's how you create ER diagrams with http://draw.io. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.